So a parent from the Annapolis Moms page messaged me tonight saying that her daughter was struggling with her homework, specifically with the tape diagram models. So I'm going to read the problem to you in case you can't see it. I will say that I'm working from my home computer instead of my work computer, so it's a little bit more tricky for me to get nitty-gritty with the details on the screen. The problem says, Trina sold 84 boxes of cookies this year. She sold 3 times as many boxes of cookies this year as she did last year. How many boxes of cookies did she sell last year? Write an equation and create a model. So over here, this is what the students started out with. They were able to figure out that this year they sold 84 boxes of cookies. So they used one piece of tape to represent that, which is totally fine. Seems like they also understood, or maybe the mother helped, that last year we would take this 84 and break it into 3 pieces, each of these pieces representing each of these individual pieces representing what was sold last year. But the labeling was off and perhaps the final answer. This child also has to have an equation, a number equation, and a word sentence with the problem to get full credit. So over here, I created 2 different tape diagrams. I was messaging the mom letting her know with tape diagrams, usually the purpose of them is to really kind of conceptualize what operation is needed, whether you need to do multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. And then from there, you pick a strategy of your choice to actually get that operation going. Up here, the blue tape diagram, I put the whole at the top, which is with the 84 boxes of cookies that were sold this year. Now we know that this year she sold 3 times as many boxes as last year. So beneath the whole, I broke that into thirds, 1, 2, 3. This being the more complicated problem to probably figure out for a 4th grader, but it might help them if they see this breakdown. The first box, I did 84 divided by 1, which gave us 84. The second box, 84 divided by 2, which gives us 42. And the third box, 84 divided by 3, which gives us 28. What that really is saying is that last year, she sold 28 boxes of cookies. Okay, so in order to do that, I kind of used my adult division skills and went 1 year, or 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. However, a 4th grader might not be on that level. So I created a basic yellow tape diagram that would probably be sufficient. So as a 4th grader reading this word problem, we would start by realizing what is given. What's given is that we sold 83 boxes of cookies this year. The other piece that's given is that this year we sold 3 times as many boxes of cookies as last year, so we can take that 84, and I kind of know that I need to split it up into 3. Now, with this method, I simply put a question mark on each one because I don't know what this is, I don't know what this is yet, and I don't know what this is. But what this does help me with as a child, I can say, okay, I've got 84. I know that only a portion of what I sold last year is what I sold this year. And now I just need to figure out what this is, one of these thirds. So then that would kind of guide them to knowing that they need to choose division as the correct operation and hopefully eventually take them to 28 boxes of cookies. So I'm sorry if this video was a little all over the place. I did it really quick because I knew that there was a struggling mom and a struggling student, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody got the help that they needed. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below.